Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best electric planer in this video? I will show you the top 3 best electric planers to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected electric planer cordless electric router. Specifications: brand name Wyofeta. Usage: home DIY. Power source: battery. No load speed: 15,000 revolutions per minute. Rated voltage: 18 to 21 volts. Origin: mainland China. Certification: none. The item number 2 is Makita Debo 380Z. Specifications: brand name Makita. Motor type brushless. Type sheet sander. Usage renovation team. Variable speed yes. Power source electricity. Weight 1.5 kilograms. Rated voltage 18 volts. Model number Debo 380Z/Debo 381Z. Origin mainland China. Certification CE FCC. On the top of our list at number 1 we have DeWalt DCP 580. Specifications: brand name DeWalt. Power source battery. Weight 2.5 kilograms. Max planing depth 2 Max planing width 82 No load speed 15,000 revolutions per minute. Rated voltage 20 volts. Model number DCP 580. Origin mainland China. Certification CE FCC.